Tired of juggling between time tracking and project management tools, feeling like productivity is slipping through your fingers? Today, we're unlocking a game-changing integration Clockify and MondeCom, seamlessly combined. First, make sure you have a Clockify account and a MondeCom account. If you don't, sign up for free. Now, head over to your MondeCom board, click on any task where you want to track time, look for the integration section. In the integration search bar, type Clockify. You should see the Clockify app appear. Click on it to start the integration process. MondeCom will ask you to authorize Clockify to access your account. Click connect and follow the on-screen prompts. Once connected, you should see a Clockify timer button appear within your MondeCom task. Now, simply click this button to begin tracking your time directly in Clockify. The time tracked will automatically be associated with the specific task in MondeCom, providing clear insights into project time allocation. Use Clockify's reporting features to analyze how much time you're spending on different projects, tasks, and team members. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Clockify with MondeCom. Now go boost your project management and take your team's productivity to new heights.